Welcome to Maths TV. Today we'll be going through IGCSE Maths paper 1-3 October November 2019. Today we'll be going through Mathematics paper 1 core IGCSE 058013 October November 2019. Question number 1. Write down the mathematical name of this type of angle. This is acute angle which is less than 90. So acute. Then change 550 meters into kilometers. So 560 divided by 1000. This will be 0.56. Write the number 40,300 in figures. So 40,300. Factorize. Question number 4, we have to factorize. We'll take 3 common, so it will be 4x plus 5 inside. So 3 into 4x plus 5. Next part, next question is put one pair of brackets into each calculation to make it correct. So this is 28. If we place brackets over here, this will be resulting to 28. Similarly, this is 60. So brackets, these brackets will be resulting to 60. Next is question number 6, which is write down the temperature that is 7 degrees Celsius below than -3. So below 7 -3 will be this, and 3 minus 10. So -3 minus 10 will be -3 minus 3 minus 7 will be -10. So work out the difference in temperatures between -4 and 4. So if we check the number line, this is 0, -4 is on this side and 4 is on this side. So difference between these two will be 4 plus 4, which is 8 degrees Celsius. Here is a list of numbers. These numbers are given. From this list, write down a cube number. So 27 is a cube number, 3 cube, and a prime number. Prime number is 47, which is divisible by itself and 1 only. Now this is question number 8. A bag contains 6 red balls and 10 blue balls only. So 6 and 10, only 2 types of balls are there. On the probability scale, this is probability scale, draw an arrow to show the probability that a ball taken at random is blue. So blue is 10 out of 16. 10 out of 16 will be equal to 10 divided by 16 will be equal to 0.625. 0.625. 0.5 is this one, 0.6 is this one, and so it will be 0.625, a little more than this. So we can write here red or blue. Red or blue will be 100% because there are 6 red and this 10. So 16 out of 16 will be 1. So probability will be over here 1. We can show arrow. Question number 9. The price of a television is $560. This price is reduced by 18% in the scale. In a sale, work out the sale price. So sale price will be 100 minus 18 will be 82. 82% of this price we can calculate. This will be equal to 82% of 560 will be equal to 459.2. So 459.2 will be our answer. Then question 10, calculate the circumference of the circle with radius this. Circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is 4.5. So we will write here 4.5. Our answer will be 2 and pi and multiply by 4.5. This will be equal to 9 pi, which is 28.27. So we can write 28.3 centimeters. question number 11. Write in the standard form. Standard form mean like first non-zero number will be shifting decimal there. So 7.2, and how many jumps from here? We have taken 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps into 10 raised by 4. So our answer will be 7.2 into 10 raised by 4. And this one we can shift from here after 1. So this will be 1.8 into 10 raised by 1, 2, 3 jumps on the right, and on the right will always be negative. So 10 raised by minus 3. Question number 12, expand and simplify. We will be multiplying x with x, so we'll get x squared, and then x with 5, we will get 5x, then 3 with x will be plus 3x, and 3 with 5 will be 15, so plus 15. Now we can simplify x square plus 8x plus 15. So our answer will be x square plus 8x plus 15. Question number 13, A part, we have to find the value of m. So this will be multiplied, x into x will be powers will be added. 3 plus 6 is equal to x raised per m. So x raised per 9 is equal to x raised per m. Bases are same, so we can write m is equal to 9. So this will be answer. Then B part, x square whole raised per n is equal to this. So we can open this bracket. This will be 2 multiplied by n is equal to x raised by 12. This implies 2n is equal to 12. Bases we can leave, x is same, so powers we can take. If bases are same, we can leave them and we can equate the powers. So n will be equal to 12 by 2, which is equal to 6. So n is equal to 6. Now question number 14, the diagram shows a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means we can use Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle, so that the value of x is this one, correct to 3 significant figures. So x square will be equal to 31 squared plus 28 squared. It means x is equal to root of 31 squared plus 28 squared, and calculator, 31 squared plus 28 squared, this will be equal to 41.77, 41.77, and if this is approximately equal to 41.8 up to 3 significant figures, and this was the answer which we were looking for. Davina records the colors of each car passing her house one morning. So these are the colors. Complete the frequency table. You may use the tally column to help you. So you can use this, or directly you can write. If we check black, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are black, so directly we can write here, or 1, 2, 3, 4 if you want to use the tally chart. So this will be like this. So next is gray. Gray we can circle in this one, 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we can write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this will be 7. And red will be 1. Proper ways you will have to mark like 1 and cancel this one, then 2 and make one more line, and 3 and one more line. So this is the method, and this will be 3. Then white, we need to check white. So this one I'm just counting 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this will be 5, and in this shape 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 you can show like this. Write on the mode. Mode is the most occurring, which is this 7, and color for 7 is gray. So we can write here gray. Question number 16. A cuboid measures 5 centimeter by 7 centimeter plus 9.5 centimeters. Work out the surface area. So what we can do, we can take this part, this side, and the opposite side, which is over here. So these two opposite sides, these two sides will be 2 into 5 multiplied by 7, 5 multiplied by 7, plus now we can take bottom and top. So this will be 2 into 9.5 into 5, and plus now front and back. Back will be this one, and the front side, this will be equal to 2 into 9.5 into 7. So this will be front and back, and now this is calculation. How will be doing? 5 into 7 plus 2 into, this is 9.5 multiplied by 5, bracket close, plus 2 multiplied by 9.5, 9.5 into 7, this will be equal to 298. So our answer will be 298 centimeters squared. Question number 17, work out this is just addition. Minus 3 plus 2 will be minus 1, and 5 minus 4 will be 1. So this will be our answer. Then 6 minus 1 will be 5, and 2 minus 5 will be minus 3. So we can write here 5 and minus 3. And next part is this one. 4 multiplied by 2 will be 8, and 4 multiplied by minus 5 will be minus 20. This will be answer. Then next question is question number 18. Here is a list of ingredients to make 12 pancakes. So this is the recipe given. Complete the list of ingredients below to make for 30 pancakes. So what we'll be doing, this is sufficient for 12 pancakes. So for flour, we'll be taking 110 and we'll be dividing it by 12, and we'll get the unit requirement, and we multiply this by 30, and this will give the amount for 30 pancakes. So 110 divided by 12 multiplied by 30 will be, multiply by 30, this one equal to 275 grams. Then comes the next one is eggs. So for 12, 2 eggs for this one. So 2 divided by 12, we require 1 by 6, and multiply by 30, this will be 5. So you require 5 eggs. And then we require milk. This milk 200 milliliter is for 12. So 200 divided by 12 will be equal to this one, and multiply by 30, this will be 500 milliliter. So the same calculation we are doing for everything. We will be taking this amount, which is 50, we will be dividing it by 12, so you will get the unit requirement, and then we will be multiplying it by 30, we will get 125. This will be our answer. The mean of 3 numbers. This is question number 19. The mean of 3 numbers is 150. The numbers are these 3. Find the value of n. So mean, we know we are adding numbers and dividing it by, for example, these are 3 numbers. So we'll add them and divide by 3. And we know that mean of this one is 150. So we can write here 150. Then we will be cross multiplying, and 361, we'll open the bracket also. 2n plus n minus 1 is equal to 150 multiply by 3, and this minus this will be 360 plus 3n is equal to 150 into 3 will be 440. So we can write here 440. Now 3n is equal to 450 basically. So 450 minus 360, we have shifted this 360 to this side. So 450 minus 360 will be equal to 90. So 3n is equal to 90, n will be equal to 90 over 3, and 90 divided by 3 is 30. So our answer n will be equal to 30. This is done. Then question number 22. Write down the coordinates of B. Coordinates of B we can check from here. X value is 7, Y value is 3, so we can write here 3. The quadrilateral A, B, C, and there is D as well, has X is equal to 4. So X is equal to 4 as a line of symmetry. So we'll draw X is equal to 4 line of symmetry, which is this one. So this is the line of symmetry. So on the grid, plot the point D. So symmetric means 1, 2, 3 units. We'll count 1, 2, 3 units. So this will be the point D, and we can draw this. We can join A with D, and also we can join C with D. So this will be the quadrilateral. Write down the mathematical name of the quadrilateral. This is rhombus, R-H-O-M-B-U-S, rhombus. Now write down the order of rotational symmetry. Order of rotational symmetry of a rhombus is 2. So these two diagonals are not equal. So if you are rotating, it will be adjusting only at 2 places. So order of symmetry will be 2. Now question number 21 is conversion graph is given for dollar and Kenyan shillings. So this is the graph given. Use the graph to change 5,000 shillings to dollars. 5,000 shillings to dollars. This is the graph. So we will be drawing this. Will use the graph to show. Okay, 5,000 shillings we will be checking. 5,000 shillings are over here, this one. So we can plot the reference. Basically 5,000 will be this reference point, and if we check from here, this will be the line of reference. No. Yeah, this will be the line of reference, and this will be 45 and one more, so 46. 46 will be the answer, and we can write it on the proper place over here, which is 46. Now the next is explain how you use this graph to change $420 to shillings. So what we can do, we can check value for 42, 41, 42. We can check value, and then we will multiply it by 10. So if we want to calculate, we want to check from the graph, we can mark at 42. This is 40, so this will be 42, and we can check the reference. So this will be the reference, and from this side we are having this one. So this will be the reference. So this will be 4,000. 600, 4,600, and so this will be 4,600 for 42. We can write here for 42. This reading will be 4,600, and for $420, this will be dollars. $420, it will be 4,600. This one, shillings, right? So we can write here. I'll show you the thing which I have written, but I have to move the page. This is the thing which you can write. 42 is reflecting from the other side. For 4,600. So we can multiply both. This will be 420 and this will be 46,000. Now we will have to write a sentence like we will check the value for 42, reading for 42, and $42 and will be multiplied by 10. So this sentence you can write and this one you can put in brackets. So this will cover everything. The exchange rate is now $1 is equal to 90 shillings. On the grid, draw another line to show this exchange rate. So $1 is equal to 90 shillings. 90 shillings. So by the same ratio, $1 is equal to 90 shillings. We can check for $50. So $50, basically dollar will be first, sign will be first, will be equal to 90 into 50. 90 multiplied by 50 will be equal to 4,500. 4,500. And for 50 mark, what we will do, we will make a line from here up to 4,500, which is this line. So we can mark this and we'll have to join this one. So origin, because 0 will be 0 and this one will be over here. So this conversion rate line will be like this one. So this is the conversion rate line which we have plotted. Now question number 22 is scatter diagram of 100 meter race and triple jump. Their results are shown in scatter diagram, and one of these athletes jumps 15.12. This is 15.1 and 15.12 will be this one. So this is the person who is they are talking about. Jump, write down his time for the 100-meter race. So we can check the reference and show the line as well for this one, and this will be the time, and this is 12.8, then 12.82, 12.84, 12.88 and 12.89. So we can write 12.88 basically will be over here, because one box is equal to 2, so it's less than 12.9. So this will be 12.88, and we can write answer at the given place as 12.88. Then the values of the two other athletes are shown in the table. 14.74, 14.7 and 14.74 will be this point, I'll mark over here, and 13.2, 13 is this one, so 13.2 will be 13.2 exact. Okay, 13.2 is this point, 13.2. we can check reference for 13.2. our mark will be over here, so we have marked this. And the second point is 15.2. 15.2 is this one for this one, and 12.76. so 12.76 will be 12.7 over here, 12.72, 4 and 6. So this one will be the reference, so we can use the scale to help us for this one over here in this line and this one. So we can put cross over here. So we have traced these 2 points. On the grid diagram, plot these points which we have done. On the scatter diagram, draw a line of best fit. So line of best fit we will be drawing, and we can show line of best fit. And this one will be, we can draw from here up to like this one. So after drawing this, they are asking us what type of correlation is shown in the scatter diagram. This is a negative correlation because right side is going down, so we will write negative correlation. Then next 23, question number 23, the scale drawing shows a triangle ABC. ABC is a triangle. This one, the scale is 1 centimeter to 1 centimeter represents 8 kilometers. Using straight edges and compasses only, what we have to do, we will have to construct the bisector of BAC. Bisector of B, A and C. So we can shift this one. BAC is this. We have to construct angle bisector. We will be taking compass and putting like this one and making an arc over here that will be intersecting this triangle. Then we can open this. After opening, we can make an arc, and this is how we got the angle bisector. And now we can join this with this point, and this will be angle bisector. After this, what we will be doing, what we have to do, we'll go through the question again. Now draw the locus of the points inside the triangle. The condition is that it should be inside the triangle ABC and are 56 kilometer from C. 56 kilometer from C. So 56 divided by the scale, 56 divided by 8, which is this scale which is provided, will be equal to 7. So we can open this compass to 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters will be up to this one. So this is done. After opening 7 centimeters, we will go to this point C and make an arc, and this should be like this one. This will be the locus point inside this, right? Then shade the region. Next part is shade the region inside the triangle ABC. It should be inside the triangle ABC, more than 56 kilometers from C, and near to AC than AB. Near to AC than AB. So it should be away from this line, outside this line, and near to AC than AB. So we will be shading this portion. This is the portion which we have to shade. We are done with the paper basically, and hopefully you understood each and everything, and I've tried my best to explain. Your comments will be welcomed, and if you like the video, just press bell icon button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And thank you very much for watching Maths TV. Hopefully you will be checking the channel for the next incoming videos as well. I have uploaded topic wise and past paper questions. Thank you. Take care. Bye.